Hello, I'm Chini from MSK MRI.
Today, we will review the MRI anatomy of the aqua-colored lateral collateral ligament, LCL, orange-colored lateral gastrocnemius, green-colored biceps femoris, and red-colored popliteus tendons. The LCL originates between the lateral epicondyle and supracondylar process. The origin of the LCL is immediately anterior to the femoral attachment of the lateral head of the gastrocnemius tendon. At the popliteal notch or fossa level, the popliteus tendon attaches to the lateral femoral condyle, anterior and distal to the femoral origin of the LCL. The popliteus tendon underlies the LCL at the level of the popliteus sulcus. The LCL is located anteriorly and deep to the biceps tendon and superficial to the popliteus tendon. On axial images, the lateral gastrocnemius is seen first. The lateral gastrocnemius tendon inserts onto the distal femur at the supracondylar process, just posterior to the LCL attachment. Next, the LCL is seen. The popliteus insertion is located below the origins of the lateral gastrocnemius and LCL. The distal tendon of the biceps femoris merges with the LCL 1 cm above the fibular head, inserting as a single band, or conjoined tendon, onto the lateral aspect of the fibular head. The LCL inserts anteriorly and the biceps femoris tendon posteriorly on the lateral aspect of the fibular head and neck. The LCL has an oblique course, so it may not be entirely visible on a single coronal image. The popliteus tendon attaches to the popliteus fossa of the lateral femoral condyle, anterior and distal to the femoral origin of the LCL, so the popliteus tendon is seen first, followed by the LCL. Moving further posteriorly, the lateral gastrocnemius tendon inserts onto the distal femur at the supracondylar process, just posterior to the LCL attachment. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it.